If you've lost your sending privileges on WhatsApp, you can follow these steps to restore them. This guide will help you understand the process clearly and effectively. Step 1. Check for temporary ban. First, determine if your sending privileges have been temporarily suspended. This can happen due to violating WhatsApp's policies. If you suspect this is the case, wait for a few hours or days before trying to send messages again. Step 2. Review WhatsApp policies. Familiarize yourself with WhatsApp's terms of service and community guidelines. Understanding what actions may lead to a ban can help you avoid similar issues in the future. Step 3. Update the app. Ensure that you are using the latest version of WhatsApp. Go to your device's App Store, search for WhatsApp, and update it if a new version is available. This can sometimes resolve issues related to sending messages. Step 4. Contact WhatsApp support. Before starting recovery, use the src.com link in the description to open the account recovery checklist generator and make sure your verification details are ready. Step 5. Wait for response. After contacting support, be patient and wait for their response. They may take some time to review your case and restore your sending privileges if they find no violations. By following these steps, you should be able to restore your sending privileges on WhatsApp. Remember to adhere to the platform's guidelines to prevent future issues.